Alright folks, this is a Chrysler Town and Country, same as a Caravan, Grand Caravan. What we're going to look at is the cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is found behind the glove box like many cars and vans. Alright, I put a little tape in here to hold the contents so nothing falls out. On this particular model, basically it's just two little tabs on the side. Okay, you're going to squeeze them in. That's why there's a little slot here. Okay, you're going to squeeze the two panels in and the glove box is going to drop. Then there's a little helper spring here. All right, that's a slider. There's a string and it attaches to here. So this piece over here, basically, you grab it from the back, it just slides up. Okay, once it slides up and gets into that little slot there, it'll pop right out. See if I push it out from here. There you go. All right, and it'll hang out right there. So all the contents are now going to dangle a little bit. Now, the filter is found inside the little trusty flashlight in this panel right here. All right, there's a little handle over there. You pull that, and this slides right out. Let's show you. Pull this, and the whole assembly will snap right out. And there's your cabin filter. Look at this cabin filter. Got leaves. All right, basically you're just going to pull that out and replace it just the way it is. All right, I didn't tell this customer about this yet. I'll call him up and see if he wants me to change it. But that's what it is. You're just going to slide it out and slide it back in. All right, on the new filter, there should be a little arrow. There's going to be airflow. As you can tell, the leaves are up on top, not on the bottom. So the airflow is from the top to the bottom. So it goes this way. So if you get a filter that has an arrow, you're going to make sure that that arrow is going to point down, airflow. All right, so that's from the outside, opens up, comes down through the filter into your AC area. All right, so put it back the same way. One side hooks onto that little center clip right there. Okay, and it's snapped in over there. Let's see. Take this, put this in here. There you go. Do it blindly without even seeing. All right, same thing over here. You put this little clip back on, the little circle there. All right, and then squeeze the two sides, and you're in. Okay, that's it. Ciao.